beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys my BOXYCHARM for April 2019. So I'm really excited to share with you guys my BOXYCHARM for April 2019, and I'm actually dressed for this little box because BOXYCHARM went to Coachella this month, which was very exciting that they went. So this box is definitely centered around Coachella, and I'm very excited for this little box. Here it is. It is Peace, Love, and Boxy, and I love this card. It is super cute with the little cactus. Super cute. And as you guys know, they put the products all on the back of the cards. That's what I'm usually going to be reading off of. So I can let you guys know the prices and everything. So I'm going to put the card right in front of me so I can look at it when I talk to you guys. Okay, so the first thing in here is the palette that we got this month, which I am so super excited for. So, we finally got a palette this month. It's in this bubble wrap. And it is from Per Cosmetics. This is the the Complexion Authority Festival palette, and this retails for $36. So here's the little palette, little packaging for it. I've actually already opened this, and it also comes with this Per Get a Grip Endurance eyeshadow primer little packet. That's a cool little bonus. Alright, so here is the beautiful palette. Very sunset themed. LA vibes. So, this is the palette. Right. I'm not going to try to blind you with the mirror. But here's the palette. It is gorgeous. It does have a little plastic film thing on top, so I'm going to try and rip that off. So here's the colors. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful hot pink and those glitters. Oh my goodness. I love that beautiful bright hot pink. It's called Wild Child. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what I'm going to have for you guys, I'm going to actually swatch all of these shadows, and I'm going to have the video overlaid on here, because I can't do it all just like sitting in front of you guys. It would take way too long. But these are so pretty, guys. So very pretty. The first row is, we have Free Spirit, we have Psychedelic, Good Vibes, and Peace. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Definitely a lot of shimmery tones. Oh, so very pretty. And the second row has Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child, and 24K Magic. I am very much in love in these beautiful, bright, bold purple, which is like a shimmer, and then the hot pink is a matte. And then you get that 24K Magic, which is like this super chunky gold. It's like, it looks like gridded like gold that you would be going through, like if it was like the California Gold Rush. Is that what it was? Yeah, I know, I remember learning about that in history. It looks like that, like those chunky like gold nugget pieces. Oh my god. The last row is very neutral, warm tone, again, kind of like a reddish brownish tone bottom row. So there's All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, and Fireworks. Fireworks looks like this beautiful mixture of like gold and red, kind of pinky almost tone glitter. These glitters I am living for in this palette, guys. Oh my goodness. This palette is literally so pretty and definitely can get some pretty good looks, because there's a lot of neutrals, a lot of kind of like warm, kind of like brown, reddish, rusty tones. And then you get those pops of like the purple and the hot pink in this palette. And those beautiful glitters that you can just add like in the middle of the eyelid with these looks. So pretty. This is kind of like one of my favorite palettes that I think they've put in the box so far since I've gotten BOXYCHARM. I liked the last palette that I really liked that I got from them was a face palette from Cover FX, and then there was the eyeshadow palette that I got from Pretty Vulgar, which was like a smoky silver eyeshadow palette. I have loved those two, are like currently my favorites of palettes I got from BOXYCHARM, and this is going on the list. The next thing in the box is the Luxie The Summer Daze 3-piece brush set, which you guys know I love Luxie. You guys know I love Luxie brushes so much. So here's what they look like in this cute little Ferris wheel packaging. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. They're this beautiful, like hot pink and fade into like this orangey yellow at the bottom, like a sunset. They're like a sunset brush, and they have gold handles for the rims. And as you guys know, they're like faded. They're these two-tone brushes. Their brushes are so soft. Oh my gosh. These are $28, this little set, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. What are the brushes that are in here? Okay, so the first one is the 512 small contouring brush, which looks so very nice. That is a very nice, I think, size for contouring. It's not too big, but just like the right size. So I actually like this brush. Okay, the next brush in here is the 209 large shader brush. So this is good for packing on eyeshadow, definitely. And then we have the 245 small shader. I'm not actually like a big fan of this brush shape or size. I feel like it doesn't really pack on shadow, or you can really pack on too much, and like I think it's like more for like small stuff if you're just doing something in the center of the eyelid. But for us trying to blend out something on the eyelid as a whole, I don't think it's like the really greatest brush. So I would stick with something more fluffier and definitely something much bigger like this one. So that's what I think about those little brushes right there. The next thing from the BOXYCHARM box is from Artiste Couture. It is their Diamond Glow Powder. Yeah. In the shade Summer Haze. The packaging is really cool. And this is $27. This is really cool. It's a highlighter, which is amazing. Look how cool. So it is a little sifter, little highlighter. As you guys can tell, I was playing around with these. Alright, there is what it looks like. It is a very nice shimmery, very like shimmery sheen. Like not something too super pow in your face, but something that will give this beautiful kind of sheen to the look of your cheek, of your, you know, your cheekbones where you put the highlighter. It is very nice. It is kind of like very much like a goldeny tone, but not super bright or bold, like super golden. It's a very sheer golden, but it has like these reflexes of like blue and pinky purple glitter in there, and it looks super pretty. So that's gonna look really pretty on the face. I'm really excited to play around with that. Okay, so the next product is from Appeal Cosmetics. This is their holographic lip gloss, and this retails for $21. Now, I did get something from this brand, I believe it was last month in my BOXYCHARM that I didn't like. And so now I have this little lip gloss. Doesn't really have a smell, which is probably a good thing because it's basically a very kind of cleary looking gloss with like these little flecks of like glitter in them. That's super kind of like, you know, very kind of like purpley looking. I don't even think the camera's gonna show it. Looks better in the tube than swatched on the hand, since it is super clear and just has only like these purpley looking glitters in it. But this doesn't really have like a scent, so that's great, because I got last month from the same brand. This was the Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Gold. If you guys remember, I got this. And yeah, this stuff smells awful. It smells like some kind of like paint or something, or glitter glue of something. I remember like some kind of smell that I remember from when I was like a kid, like playing with like some kind of like arts and crafts stuff, like really bad smelling glitter glue maybe. I don't really want to put that on my eyes, but this doesn't really have a scent, so I think I can use this as a nice little topper for some nice looking lipsticks. I don't think this would be too bad, but to be quite honest with the brand, from what I've seen so far and what I've looked up, I'm not really like impressed or shocked by the Appeal Cosmetics. I don't really find it as a makeup brand I would gravitate towards or use a lot. But yeah, there's that. Now the last product that I did get in the BOXYCHARM is from Starlooks, which I've gotten so many things from them over the years, not only from BOXYCHARM, but I got a lot of stuff from Starlooks in the past from Ipsy, and I haven't used any of the Starlooks stuff that I got because I mostly get eyeliners, and this is what this is. I don't know why this happens to me all the time. But this is the Starlooks Ultra Gem Longwear eye pencil, and it's $19. It's the Celestial shade. So I'm not gonna even open this because I already know I will never wear it. I don't do eyeliner or any kind of eye pencils. But there's that. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my BOXYCHARM for April 2019, and I'm gonna have the total on the screen of how much everything in my BOXYCHARM cost, so you guys know what the total value of my box was for this month. So that's pretty much it. I'm very impressed. I think I'm very happy with everything that I got, except that I probably won't be using the eyeliner. But for everything else, I will definitely be using, and I think it's going to be very much like summery kind of makeup that I use it for. So I'm not ready just yet to use it, but it will be coming up for summer. For me, in the spring, I'm mostly like very kind of pastel looking, and very kind of light tone. But soon enough, I will gravitate towards trying to do some brighter, bolder looks for myself and things like that. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.